The challenge of a small bathroom lies not in its physical dimensions, but in how those dimensions are perceived. When we step into a confined space filled with heavy fixtures and fragmented design choices, the environment can feel instantly restrictive. The antidote to this spatial tension is a design philosophy centered on breathability, a deliberate arrangement of elements that prioritizes light, air, and movement. By understanding how the human eye navigates a room, we can employ sophisticated architectural techniques to transform a claustrophobic footprint into a masterclass of refreshing, minimalist design, capitalizing on vertical lines and geometric simplicity. When horizontal floor space is limited, the most effective design strategy is to redirect the gaze upward. Drawing the eye toward the ceiling creates an immediate sensation of height, effectively balancing the narrowness of the room. This vertical continuity can be achieved through the strategic application of line and shape. Vertical stacked tiles, slender shiplap detailing, or floor-to-ceiling cabinetry draw subtle, upward paths for the eyes to follow, making the ceiling feel significantly higher than it actually is. To complement this vertical emphasis, the geometric lines of the bathroom must remain incredibly clean. Complex patterns and intricate moldings create visual noise that disrupts the flow of a room. Instead, embrace geometric simplicity. Opt for rectangular hardware, straight-edged countertops, and linear architectural profiles. When the structural lines of the space are sharp and predictable, the mind processes the environment with minimal effort, resulting in a profound sense of architectural calm and spaciousness. The strategy of recessed and integrated architecture. In a standard-sized room, protrusions like shelving, bulky radiators, and deep cabinetry are easily absorbed. In a compact bathroom, however, every element that extends into the room physically encroaches on your personal freedom of movement. To preserve precious square footage, look toward the walls for solutions through recessed architecture. A recessed shower niche built directly between the wall studs eliminates the need for protruding plastic caddies or clumsy corner shelves. Similarly, recessing a mirrored medicine cabinet flush with the drywall provides ample storage while leaving the wall surface perfectly flat. Beyond storage, consider integrating fixtures directly into the architecture. Wall-mounted faucets that emerge seamlessly from the backsplash save valuable countertop depth on the vanity, allowing for a narrower sink profile without sacrificing functionality. By embedding these functional elements into the bones of the room, you maximize physical clearance and maintain a sleek, uninterrupted silhouette. Curating a textural landscape. A common misconception is that a bright, minimalist bathroom must be stark white and completely devoid of character. Without variation, an all-white space risks feeling flat and clinical. The secret to adding warmth and sophistication while maintaining an airy atmosphere lies in a curated textural landscape. Rather than introducing new colors, introduce different tactile surfaces that interact uniquely with light. Consider pairing a smooth, matte-finished concrete resin sink with a backsplash of glossy, handmade zellage tiles. The slight imperfections and reflective glaze of the tiles catch the light beautifully, adding movement and organic vitality to the wall. To soften these hard surfaces, introduce natural elements. A light white oak vanity brings in grounding, organic warmth to the space without darkening the room, while a woven linen shower drape introduces a soft, tactile quality. These subtle variations create a rich, layered environment that feels deeply comforting and sophisticated, all while preserving a bright and open aesthetic. Mastering hidden functionality and editing. The ultimate success of a minimalist bathroom relies on its daily functionality. A space cannot feel serene if it fails to accommodate the realities of daily life. The key is to implement hidden functionality, designing custom storage solutions that conceal the necessary chaos of toiletries while keeping the visible surfaces entirely clear. Utilize deep vanity drawers equipped with internal organizers and built-in electrical outlets, allowing styling tools to be used and stored out of sight. Once the infrastructure for organization is in place, the final step is a strict practice of editing. Every object left on display should serve a dual purpose of utility and beauty. By limiting the visual field to a few highly intentional items, you eliminate the sensory clutter that constricts a room. The result is a highly polished, functional sanctuary that breathes effortlessly, offering a peaceful retreat from the demands of the day. The luxury of negative space. To truly perfect the airy minimalist aesthetic, one must learn to embrace the luxury of negative space. In design, negative space refers to the empty areas around and between the subjects of a room. While the instinct in a small bathroom is often to fill every corner with a basket, a plant, or an extra towel rack, leaving certain walls and corners completely bare is actually what gives the room its breathing room. An empty corner or an unadorned wall allows the architecture of the space to exist without competition, offering the eyes a place to rest and instantly elevating the room from a standard bathroom to a high-end, gallery-like sanctuary, harnessing nature and organic freshness. Finally, introducing a controlled element of nature can breathe life into a compact design without cluttering it. A single, well-placed low-maintenance plant, such as an elegant orchid, a cascading pothose on a high ledge, or a structural snake plant, prospers in a humid environment while introducing an organic vibrancy. The splash of natural green breaks up the monochromatic tones and connects the indoor space to the outside world. This connection to nature, combined with the abundance of light and clean lines, transforms the bathroom from a mere functional utility room into a deeply restorative, life-affirming micro-spa.